Understanding Compost Tumblers, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic in gardening and sustainability: compost tumblers. Whether you're a language learner or a gardening enthusiast, this video will help you understand what compost tumblers are and how they are used. Let's dig in. A compost tumbler is a gardening tool used for making compost, a natural fertilizer made from organic waste. Unlike traditional compost bins, tumblers are designed to be rotated or tumbled, which speeds up the composting process. They are typically barrel-shaped and can be turned with a handle. This rotation mixes the composting materials, like kitchen scraps and garden waste, allowing them to decompose more quickly. Using a compost tumbler has several advantages. Firstly, it is more efficient than traditional composting methods, as the tumbling action speeds up the decomposition process. Secondly, tumblers are neat and tidy, keeping the compost contained and reducing the likelihood of attracting pests. Additionally, they are easy to use and require less physical effort compared to turning a compost pile with a shovel. To use a compost tumbler effectively, start by adding a mix of green and brown organic materials. Green materials include kitchen scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, while brown materials consist of dry leaves or shredded paper. It's important to maintain a balance between these types of materials for effective composting. Regularly turn the tumbler to aerate the contents, which helps in breaking down the materials into compost. For successful composting, remember these tips. 1. Balance green and brown materials. This ensures proper decomposition. 2. Keep the compost moist. The contents should be damp but not too wet. 3. Turn the tumbler regularly. This introduces air into the compost, which is essential for the process. 4. Be patient. Composting takes time, typically a few weeks to a few months. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what a compost tumbler is and how it can be used in gardening. Composting is not only great for your garden but also beneficial for the environment. Keep practicing your English, and maybe try using a compost tumbler in your garden. Happy gardening and happy learning!